Okay, so to get to Google Drive, I usually click on my apps right here, and then I click on Google Drive. Once I open Google Drive, a list of all of my documents and folders should pop up. And as you can see, it's taking a while to load here. Here are my 3 folders that I have so far in here. Do have a lot of other work that I have not put in folders yet, but I know what they are. Currently in my EDCI 270, I only have the draft that I wrote for for my theme. And to simply create folders, you just click on new, click on folder, and then you can name the folder whatever you like. And then to simply add stuff, I usually go to my Google Docs area. And I'm going to choose this one since I haven't added it to my folder yet. Click on it, wait for it to load. You gotta give Google a chance to catch up with the rest of the world sometimes. And then you go to move to, and since this was from my genetics class, I simply click on the folder I want to move it to and press move, and now it is now saved into that folder. So if I click on the folder, it is now there.